Imagine stepping into a 2026 Mini Cooper and feeling time warp between playful heritage and glossy marketing. The question hits fast. Is this car still a raw driver-esque icon that rewards skill and connection, or has nostalgia been repackaged as a premium accessory? Today we test whether style still earns value, or if buyers are simply paying for a timeless logo. We will separate emotion from evidence and focus on ownership cost dynamics and driving soul. We will include real owner interviews, measured tests, and transparent comparisons to back every claim. Welcome back. We peel back showroom gloss to test claims and measure substance. For a Tier 1 audience, we ask blunt questions. Does Mini still deliver visceral reward and usable performance, or does emotional branding mask compromises in space technology and long-term costs? This investigation blends independent tests, owner voices, and market numbers, so buyers can judge expect numbers, anecdotes, and a candid cost breakdown, so you can weigh emotion against facts. The new Mini keeps familiar proportions and round headlights to signal continuity. Designers layered modern surfacing, yet the silhouette remains unmistakably retro. That raises a key question. Is this thoughtful evolution or cautious nostalgia rehashed into premium trim? We examine visual updates, aerodynamic implications, lighting signature, and whether exterior tweaks produce genuine utility or merely justify higher showroom price tags. We will include real owner interviews, measured tests, and transparent comparisons to back every claim. Step inside and retro cues meet widescreen digital displays. The cabin charms, but small car ergonomics demand scrutiny. Storage, visibility, and control placement can feel compromised for the sake of aesthetics. We test whether the interior is a practical driver-focused cockpit or an Instagram-ready set piece, and how those choices affect daily usability. Our testing includes urban commutes, highway runs, and long-term ownership projections. We will include real owner interviews, measured tests, and transparent comparisons to back every claim. Mini's EV variants deliver instant torque and cheerful acceleration, but batteries change weight balance and packaging. Range remains a practical concern for urban owners, and charging behavior alters daily routines. We will compare real-world range charging time and how the electric powertrain affects the classic steering balance loyal drivers. Expect our testing includes urban commutes, highway runs, and long-term ownership projections. Expect numbers, anecdotes, and a candid cost breakdown so you can weigh emotion against facts. On the road, does Mini still serve up the go-kart handling that created its cult, or has BMW's platform smoothing dulled the edge? We analyze steering weight, responsiveness, chassis, roll, and NVH to determine whether engagement survives. The truth shapes whether the car rewards skilled drivers or merely offers styled mobility for the city inclined. We will include real owner interviews, measured tests, and transparent comparisons to back every claim. Expect numbers, anecdotes, and a candid cost breakdown. Price often reflects heritage rather than scale economics. The 2026 lineup positions Mini at premiums above many compact rivals. Optional packages escalate cost quickly. Buyers must decide whether they purchase engineering substance or a badge that signals status. We outline total ownership math, including servicing, insurance, and resale outcomes. To reveal where value truly sits, we will include real owner interviews, measured tests, and transparent comparisons to back every claim. Expect numbers, anecdotes, and a candid cost breakdown so you can weigh emotion against facts. Controversy centers on authenticity. Enthusiasts claim Mini lost its British soul, traded for polished global comfort. Critics argue identity diluted into a lifestyle commodity, while defenders insist evolution preserves relevance. We present owner testimonies, historical comparisons, and market trends, so you can decide if Mini remains authentic or became commodified style. Our testing includes urban commutes, highway runs, and long-term ownership projections. We will include real owner interviews, measured tests, and transparent comparisons to back every claim. Final verdict. Mini 2026 remains stylish, emotionally potent, and instantly recognizable, but value depends on priorities. If you prize heritage aesthetic and urban charm, you will find justification. If raw engagement, practicality, or maximum value matter, more other choices outperform. Mini. Tell us which matters to you in comments. Subscribe for follow-ups, track tests, and longer ownership reports. We will highlight trade-offs clearly, so your decision is informed, not emotional.